Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my room in the back. It's a little junky because I'm actually running a little late. It's currently 9:35, I believe, around that time. Let's check to make sure. 9:36. So I really need to like hurry up. But today, let's get into some better lighting. I'm gonna take y'all on my a day in the life of a makeup artist. So I have a lot of appointments today, like a lot. I have 6 appointments today, and they keep texting me trying to switch their times, and no, not happening because I'm freelance, so I travel. So my first appointment's at 10. Luckily it's in my neighborhood, so I can like show up. I like to show up 15 minutes before. So I'm gonna leave like as soon as possible, but let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Typically I like to wear hats on my when I go do makeup, only because it, you know, it's like my Tiger Wood like focusing hat. Like I get to hone in on the makeup application. So I just have on my regular hat, and this jacket is from Boohoo. It's see-through, and then I just have on a black shirt and some black pants. These pants are from Fashion Nova, and they have the little print on the side. And then I'm just gonna wear some black shoes. Nothing too much. This is basically what I wear. If I'm not doing a lot of people, I'll literally put on a hoodie and sweatpants and go do their makeup, especially if it's at 7 or 8 in the morning. No, I'm really just okay, so I'm in the car, obviously. So I'm headed to my appointment. I don't know if y'all can hear me that well over this engine. But typically I don't really get to eat like breakfast like that. So I like to bring these little breakfast bars. Sponsor me. So I just eat these Belvita things. They are so freaking good. I kid you not. My appointment is for 10. But I told her I was going to get there 15 minutes before. And it's literally 9:44. But she lives like right there. So, we're just gonna head over to that appointment. Today is going to be a long freaking day of like driving back and forth. I'm on a half a tank, so I'll probably need to fill up again because I'm literally going to be ripping and running. So we're going to head to this first appointment. And yeah, I also have some juice just in case I get thirsty. But I typically don't like to drink on days like this, like drink a lot, because when I'm on go, I don't have time to use the bathroom, let alone do I have time to like eat breakfast or like lunch. So I forgot my whole entire phone, and now the garage won't even go up. Oh Lord, whatever. So I'm about to go grab it. I had to turn back around, y'all. The purpose of today is we're not gonna stress, because stuff like this, I probably would be freaking out right now, but I'm not gonna stress today. Everybody's faces will be beat, so it's not that deep. So now we're driving back over there because damn, I left my whole phone. How do you leave a whole entire phone? So I'm headed to my next appointment, and it's all the way in Atlanta, and I live like 30 minutes from Atlanta, so I think I'm gonna be a little bit late because there's traffic apparently. I'm gonna be 12 minutes late, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, boo. I'm actually kind of upset today because Jackie Ina decides that she wants to come to Atlanta, right? And I can't even go see her because I have to do makeup all freaking day today. Like, girl, you know you gay. And you over here trying to play me, trying to come to Atlanta when I gotta work. You need to, next time you come, you need to ask me what my schedule is and see if it fits within my schedule. So, my next video, I'm gonna upload, 10 things that clients can do to annoy their makeup artist. I feel like that would be so hilarious. But then it will be like, clients will have awareness of like what you don't need to do. Because today, like, one of my clients was like, she was like, do you think we can push the appointment up from one time to an earlier time? I'm like, honey, you are not the only appointment for today. Like, you are not my only appointment. So I'm going to be a little late. My other appointment ran later than expected. But this is literally the life of a makeup artist, honestly, because I'm tired. I have not ate yet, and it's almost 3:30. And y'all know I got started at my first. Why is he all up on my bumper? I'm going 80 miles an hour. Like, Atlanta people be freaking tripping. I'm gonna be late to this appointment, but it's okay because she was understanding. But I hate being late, and I'm gonna be like really late. Like, I'm gonna be an hour late because she lives far. Like, from the other place, she lives 45 minutes without traffic, but since there is traffic, she lives an hour. And I probably won't eat until after this appointment because my next appointment is my friend, so it's kind of like relaxed. So I don't really care about that one. I mean, I do care because I know she's gonna watch this. I care, bitch, but the bitch gotta eat. I have one more appointment after this. I'm currently heading there now, so I won't be able to go eat, and I'll just wait until after this appointment because my last appointment canceled. So my last appointment of the day actually canceled, which I'm not really complaining about because it's been a long day, as y'all can see. We're going to client number 5, and then we're gonna go eat. This is literally like, y'all see a day in the life. I haven't really vlogged much today, but it's literally like just driving to people's houses and beating their face and being late and not eating or drinking. I haven't drank anything since this morning. I haven't gone to the bathroom since this morning. So if this is not the life for you, do not be a makeup artist because you literally have to sacrifice anything. So I'm finally done for today. We are gonna go get some food. I should do like a mini mukbang, but I'm probably not because I really just want to kind of like eat on the road. Look how cute this picture is, y'all. Look how cute they are. That's my friend, y'all. She cute or whatever. So today was fun, y'all. It was definitely an adventure. If you live in Georgia, like I went from Alpharetta to Atlanta, like, and then I went to Topgolf by Midtown, like over in that area, so like Westmoreland, kind of, sort of, and then to Lawrenceville, which was extra far, but it's okay. I love the lady that lives in Lawrenceville. She cool. And then now I'm in Lithonia, so now I'm headed back home. So you see, like, if you live in Georgia, do not text and drive. It's hands-free, and you definitely could get a $200 ticket. I'm not even supposed to be like recording, but I love y'all that much. I love my B.O.M Squad that much. My 470 B.O.M Squad members, y'all are the realest. Y'all be holding it down, watching my tutorials and my videos. So shout out to y'all, but don't text it. Don't follow my lead. Like, I can guide you in the right direction, but it's gonna be a little like crazy.
It's a great day, Chick-fil-A. My name is Lana. How may I serve you?
Hi, can I get a number 1?
A number 1, and what would you like to drink with that?
Can I do lemonade light ice?
Lemonade light ice?
Yes.
And will that be all for you today?
That's it.
Alright, that brings your total to $671, and it'll be our pleasure to serve you at the window.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
My pleasure, bitch.
671. Alright, it'll be our pleasure to serve you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Y'all, Chick-fil-A is so freaking good. Chick-fil-A sauce has to be the like best sauce. So I also just got a regular sandwich. The original Chick-fil-A sandwich. Look how good this looks. So y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment in the comment box below. If y'all want to see more like day in the life, like vlogs and stuff, while I do like makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can join the B.O.M Squad. We are the B.O.M Diggity. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.